ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನೀವೇನು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು.
ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಆಗೋಂಥದ್ದು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಂದ, ಅಂಥವುಗಳನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸೋಂಥದ್ದು ವಿಲ್. ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡು ಆರ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪಿಸು. ವಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಲರ್ನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. Before you know to make sentence, know where to use this. It is used to speak about the decision that we have made for our future. Means just to say about our future plans. And next and future simple time is used to talk about what you know or think that will happen in the future, but not your own intention or plans. It will happen by some other person. Friends, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಲರ್ನ್ ನೌ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಯರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, means any pronoun or noun. Then will. Will is your helping of for future tense totally. Will means manasu madu, sankalpisu like. Here totally tene. Afterwards is your present form. Then use your object. Now friends, just I say now my future plans. I will purchase a car means ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಕಾರನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. And I will build a big house. I will earn much or more money. My children will go to relatives' house in summer holidays. That is plan. One more example. The government will conduct election within 2 years. It is not my intention. It will be done by the government. Friends, now my teammates will say a few examples what they will do in future. After that, pause your TV and say some examples what you will do, your future plans totally.
I will build a big house. I will give good education to my children. I will fulfill all my dreams. I will go to foreign countries.
I will become a good doctor.
I will become an IAS officer. I will serve the people. I will stop the corruption.
Friends, learn now negative sentences. It may be negative, but it is also your plans, future plans, not to do. First is your subject, then use your will, then not, will not. Afterwards is your present form, then an object. I say my future plans, what I will not do. I will not practice bad habits. I will not forget my mother tongue. I will not visit Taj Mahal this year. Friends, now my teammates will say what they will not do.
I will not encourage my children to do bad habits. I will not discourage my children in education. I will not forget my mother tongue. I will not forget my parents. I will not become young again.
I will not forget my childhood.
I will not become police. I will not disobey my parents. I will not learn bad.
Friends, pause your TV. Now say your future plans, what you will do and what you will not do. This is an opportunity to remember your or to plan your future. Say to your family members about your future plans, and if you are children, your parents will know about your future plans, then they will encourage you. So now say your future plans to your parents, or parents you say your future plans to your children. Friends, learn now positive yes or no question. For that, first use your will. I have already told you many times, just use helping verb first to make yes or no question. So will is your helping verb, use your first will. Will plus subject means pronoun or any noun. Then use your present verb, then an object, then a question mark. Question for you also, to my teammates also. Will you purchase a car?
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
This is for you. Will you become the CM? Now my friends will answer.
I will not.
No, I will not.
Friends, will you build a house?
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Friends, learn now negative yes or no question. Same again, use your first will, then subject. After subject, use your not to make negative yes or no question. Then use your present verb, then an object, then a question mark. For example, will you not continue your education?
Yes, I will.
No, I will not.
Yes, I will.
Will you not go to foreign?
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
No, I will not.
Will your friend not come to your house tomorrow?
Yes, he will.
No, she will not.
Yes, he will.
Friends, now pause your TV and question each other in your family. Question positive or negative. Now we will ask questions each other. Watch us.
Will you not build a house within a year?
I will try. Will your brother not come to house next week?
Yes, he will. Will you not purchase and give me necklace?
Necklace?
Yes.
Yes, I will. Will your sister not marry?
Yes, she will marry.
Will our daughter not participate in school day program?
Yes, she will. Will you not purchase a car?
Car? Yes, I will. Nirmala, will you not prepare Mysore Pak tomorrow?
No, I will not.
Friends, ask like these questions each other in your house. Mother ask father, or parents ask children. Ask questions about future plans. Friends, learn now positive information question. It's very easy, friends. Just see here, this is yes or no question formula. Just use here question word first, then it will become information question formula. For example, when will you build a house?
I will build a house within 5 years.